Introducing Winnie, a 4-year-old Australian cattle dog who's here for our board and train program. Winnie is here primarily because she struggles with a lot of anxiety. She is pretty mistrusting of people, and it took her several days before she was comfortable with me even petting her. When she goes out in public, she is constantly on edge and just wants to get back to the car so that she can go home. She becomes overstimulated and shuts down, or she becomes super reactive when she sees other dogs. She has on occasion redirected at her humans when they try to calm her down and nipped at them. We are here to help Winnie learn some coping skills and some confidence, so stay tuned to see her transformation after her board and train program.